Lead foot F150 Covert behind me today, guys. We love this color. It's a true game changer in the truck market today. Lead foot and abyss gray F150. We love to get our hands on those. A beautiful Covert. I'm ready to dive into it. You may be seeing on my shirt Rambo. I am Rambo, and got Brady Rambo filming for me. We grew up loving the Rambo deal, so very fitting to wear a Rambo shirt with a truck that I feel like Rambo would drive for you guys. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so first and foremost, today is my off day. I forgot my microphone, so if you hear any static from the wind, we've had a storm come through, and my bad. So I want to show you the truck anyway. Lead foot XLT. This is our Covert edition that you hear me talk about over and over again, but we love the Covert. Up front, really what makes the biggest difference to me, we've got the lead foot grill up front, body color. As I've told you guys before, this is a magnetic gray front end from the factory, which I have no reason or rhyme of why it is, but a lead foot paint scheme really sets it off. We painted the top and bottom bar black because we feel that the bars, if their body color is just too busy. So we like the way this front end turned out. Custom badges with lead foot and black up front. Really works nicely. Now the reason why this truck looks so good is because it's a sport package off the get-go. So you've got body color, bumpers front and rear, and door handles. They got that nice console shifter inside as well. So we love this sport package on the F150 XLT and beyond. Coming on around this way, we got V-Land headlights. These are our V-Land headlights, the LED. These look and mimic the factory more than any one I've found, guys. Got your up high beam and low beam, and just love the black inlay. They're available in chrome as well, but this black really to us is a game changer. Brady, show them that platinum truck right there. That platinum truck has a headlight that's very similar to the one we have on our lead foot. Just obviously that's a factory headlight, and then the one we have over here is an aftermarket by V-Land. I feel like the output that this headlight produces, as well as the signature lighting, is brighter. So I really like this headlight a lot, guys. Coming on around, we're leveled on 34s. We're a 34.3, so leveled on 34s are gonna be our hashtag for this one for you. XD Heist 22 by 10. I love this size wheel. 22 by 10 plus 12. So mile to wild scale. Show them the mile to wild scale, Brady. We're pretty conservative on our mile to wild scale. We're tucked in, we're maybe sticking out just a little bit, maybe half an inch to an inch is what our stance is. We've got a 10-inch wide wheel, so that 10 wide wheel with that plus 12 offset, we've got no scrubbing, no issues whatsoever with that goes. And a 22-inch wheel with this size tire gives you plenty of rubber for a great overall ride quality and some off-road capabilities now too with that Nitto Ridge Grapper. Come on around, Brady, and let's show them a good overall side shot. Let me know what your thoughts are on a 22-inch wheel. Are you a 20-inch wheel guy, or do you like 17 and 18s? I'd like to know what your thoughts are. I personally like to go a little bit bigger sometimes because these trucks have 20-inch wheels from the factory a lot, and I think that, like the limited trucks, a 22-inch wheel really fits that wheel well nicely if you put the right size tire where it's not too small of a sidewall tread pattern for you. So you've got nice ample cushioning and still some nice tread that you can go off-road with. Whatever you may need, 22-inch setup with this 34-inch tall tire is just what we love to do. So in the back, if you've been watching our videos, you know what this truck's got, because it's our typical Covert. We've got wheel well liners in the rear by forward. Under that way, we've got an undercover trifold bed cover up top. And Brady, show them this just legit fire tailgate. You got your tailgate F150 logo there with the Ford emblem. Just looks great. When that thing was all blue and chrome, man, it did not match whatsoever, guys. So we got to get rid of that to have it looking right. We got a tailgate assist that falls down nice and smooth. Akins spray and bed liner on the inside, and then on the inside of the truck, we got WeatherTech floor mats. I want to show you guys that center console shifter that I was talking about. This is a 302A package. So you got leather wrapped steering wheel, you've got heated seats, and a lot of other convenience features. Now, window sticker wise, guys, 56 125, and all of our add-ons is $10,498. So this truck retails for $66 623, and we're currently advertising $13,000 off, which is a great discount. We're your price leader right here. It's your top 10 Ford dealership at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. So these trucks don't last long. Brady was thinking maybe a week or so. I'm gonna probably put 6 or 7 days on this one getting out of here too. I want to show you guys one more shot of the truck in general. We'll wrap this thing up. All right, I'm putting him on the spot. I got Brady Rambo right here. So Brady, be honest with the viewers now, is you're 13. Whenever you become time to drive, which is not very far away, will it be lead foot?
Maybe.
Maybe. What would be, what do you think? What color do you like?
Red.
Red? So Brady's a red guy, just like his dad. He also likes black too. So leadfoot, red, and black are probably both of our favorites, I think. Cool colors. Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button for more cool videos right here at your source for everything auto, Wild Willies custom accessories, and Akins Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Ford in Winder, Georgia. Look us up, akinsford.com.